Hey guys, you have to look at this. This is Nike on Instagram, and welcome to Nike Land on Roblox, where sport has no rules. And here we go. Let's see if we don't get accused, but you can see Nike Land headquarters on Roblox. There you go. I think we can only have 7 seconds. The most important, remember, all the content is copyrights are for Nike. But the most important today, I want to show you with Hawkeye Trader tools what you're missing out and how you have the opportunity to come back to Nike and why you need to have on your radar Roblox as an opportunity in the next 3 to 5 years. Video games are hot. This actually more than a video game is just a full immersed experience that you have. Nike is reading between the lines and they're just jumping in the opportunity to have more exposure with the Gen Z millennials. And that's what they're doing. So a couple things to pay attention at Nike. So we have full support. This is on the weekly. I want to make sure I have Randy's approval of this. So I think it's on weekly. You want to have 1 month. That's the configuration for Roadkill. I think so. There you go. Perfect. And it's just following the tools, just the guidance that you have. We have a deep on the shaded area on Nike. This is the weekly chart, and that's a perfect, beautiful buy entry, $125 per share. Then we have the super breakout on power earning. This is the power earning candle. Then once we have that, you have the push higher and the retracement. This is a perfect opportunity. The direction of the trend, we again jump into the opportunity. Now, what I do like to see, and look at the volume. You have the massive volume coming in, the buying volume, then you have the selling volume, and the buying volume slowly dries. You see that? That means someone did what I had to do perfectly at that entry, and now we have the continuation. The most important with Nike is once we have the adjustment of the production in Vietnam, this is game over for sellers, and you have a stock that potentially will start breaking. It already tried on November, the weekly candle in November, didn't make it happen. Breakouts, sometimes they need 3 to 5 attempts. I do believe on the 3rd and 4th attempt, we'll have a full breakout continuation of the trend, and this stock will be worth $200 and more. So if I were to just use price rotation, which is what we have on the right for Roblox, ticker RBLX, then you have a $29 in Nike. That's 20% on that last pullback. So once we have the full breakout, the next bullish leg will take us to a 20%. I will say 20%, that's conservative, 20% push for Nike, and that will be $210. I repeat, Nike conservative in the next 12 months, $210. Why? How? Well, just following the trend. The most important besides the full price rotation that I just draw based on the chart that we have in front of us is just understanding how the trend works. You want to have the tools that would allow you to stay the longest in the trend to maximize your profits. Now, at the same time, volume and heat map, look at how they're changing. It's bright green. We have the entry, a little bit of red here in the volume. Still, I think that was a perfect opportunity. Look how it dips back to the trend. That's Hawkeye trend plus stops. That's your guidance. If we were to have any black swan, something that will shake the foundation of the bull market, because we're in the bull market, remember that, I would definitely be buying again at a 152. As long as we don't have a new low created, breaking down 144, I'm a buyer, I'm bullish Nike, and you should be paying attention because this seems like this is the Metaverse assemble. It looks like. I think it's a little bit of brands. They're looking to ride that trend of the Metaverse with former Facebook, now Meta, Nvidia, AMD. There's a few plays that you want to pay attention, but in order for you to pinpoint, besides watching our videos, you do want to stay in the trend, and to do that, you need to have the visual. That you get that visual using the Hawkeye trend plus stops. You need to have the tools. You need to have the indicators. If I were you, I would be looking to go directly to the Hawkeye Traders.com website and pick the professional package. That's what you want to do today. Now, to the right, Roblox. Who has this one? Well, we know, it's not a secret. Our favorite insider trader, Nancy Pelosi, the Wolf of Wall Street, the only and one Wolf of Wall Street. Nancy Pelosi. She's the one. There you go. She's the one. She actually is invested she has the long-term data calls on Tesla. She's also in Roblox. Can't blame her. This is making money. Big candle, 50% so far in November. Absolutely crushing it. What I do think is going to happen is we have a nice floor at $83 and we have our first stop at 106. If I look at potentially, let me go to weekly, potentially what is happening, I have a big volume. You can think this is similar to this power earning candle, same story. So if you have any pullback, what do? Hey, let's just drop it. Hawkeye trends, there you go, boom. Now, this one is a little bit too tight, so probably want to go on the daily, see what's happening. There you go, everything around at 108. There you go, 108, okay? I think it probably is going to open at 128, but and that will be positive for Roblox today, looking to close very strong. So that will be there, RBLX, Roblox Corporation. We're looking 2.28% pre-market today, Friday, November 19, 2021, 129. So if you look at that, we are actually opening this. Thursday was red. Now it's turning the weekly. Let's see, what was the weekly? Well, it's just a continuation. But you had yesterday daily was bearish, and today we're opening here. This is bullish. It will probably just dry all the previous liquidity, so we can trade for next week the 138. So this is what we're going to do. Remember, I'm not here to provide any teaser. I do want you to be a buyer. That's what I want. I want you to use the tools, because the better the tools, the better the results you can expect. You're just a product of the tools you're using. You're just a product of the content you're eating. You're eating this content, therefore you know where you're looking at and how to trade that idea. So RBLX today, as soon as you have the opportunity to watch the video, I will go to option chain, and for next week, just a quick trade like I did with Tesla, November 26, all strikes, an open quote media. And I want to look at opportunities, probably the 142. This area will be nice. And look at the 150 for next week. Yesterday, Thursday, it had 4,049 contracts. This is the one I want to play with. I want to take a look at this one. Let's see what's happening. Well, 4,000 contracts versus open interest only 656. This is the one I want to play. Now, it's 148. Pay no more than 160. I will say 170. All right. Delta is 15. I can live with that. We'll also have this ready for our future references follow up. It's perfect. So pay no more. Okay. No more 170 per contract. All right. 170 per contract. So look to see how you can get that in. It's opening 2% up. So I'm not sure how high that's going to affect today. So we'll probably reverse, take a look at what happened, what is happening. But definitely, this is the one that I want to play with. All right. Next week, 150, November 26. All right. And 2 weeks after that, what else we have? Probably just go with this one. Okay. So big news. Remember, Nike setting the partnership with Roblox. Here's Instagram, all the information. Most important, you want to have this on your radar. This stock, it's a buy following Hawkeye Trends plus stop. If we have a pullback to 108 after the big power earnings scandal, there you go. You want to be a buyer. You want to be a buyer. And after that, if we have a full consolidation of the price, then we are going to push higher. And there's no doubt, if I take this information based on price rotation, it's $46. Conservative, you're looking at $46, your first target, final target on conservative push on the new bullish leg. That will be $153 per share. Now, a 77 expansion, that's the percentage, then that will take you 77%. That takes you to 190. And because stocks love round figures, pay attention, Roblox will be, in the next 12 months, I expect, potentially, this stock will be $200 per share. Today, you're getting it for free at 126. If there's a pullback back to 108, $100 per share level, it's a buy. It will be a crime. It will be a crime if you don't buy it. All right, guys. You're just a product of the tools you use. Like we say, we are a product of the 5 closest friends we have. Well, when it comes to the business of trading for a living, there you go. You need the tools. So set yourself up to success. Go to the HawkeyeTraders.com site and pick the professional package. Save yourself a headache and make the best of this secular bull market that started in 2009, and we still have a lot of room to go to the upside. Hey guys, remember, smash the like button, and I see you next week. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. Ciao, ciao.